Hello everyone, this is Cloris from SINOMADA Heavy Industry Co Limited. Today we are in SUNWARD Factory, and now I would like to introduce SUNWARD mini excavator to you. Now let's go and see it. SUNWARD excavators are exported to more than 16 countries and regions, including Europe and the USA. Now behind me is SWE18UF. It has a pretty appearance and excellent performance. The operating weight of it is 1.88 tons and the power of it is 13.4 kilowatts. And the max digging depth is 2.21 meters. Finally, the standard bucket size is 0.04 cubic meters. If you need different attachments, we can also support it. Okay, let's see some more details. This is the engine system of this machine. This machine is equipped with Yanmar engine which can meet Euro 5 emission. Okay, let's take a look at the cab. As you can see, you can control the excavator comfortably with easy-to-reach controls located in front of you. Okay everyone, that's all I want to introduce today. If you have any interest, please feel free to contact me.